Because here we have used JSX inside a variable. So we have created a simple variable called myAL, and we have moved every JSX, the JavaScript, to HTML, or you can say HTML in JavaScript, and then we have rendered it. But next I can see I have this hello JSX written hard-coded. What if I want to move this into a variable? Okay, so I just cut it from here, and then I will say let my title is equal to hello JSX. Then I just want to show this my title value between this span tag. So how about this? I can say my title. Generally we use this simple syntax and we have the value of any variable. But if I do this and if I refresh this page, it literally spit out as my title instead of rendering the value of my title. So in React, or you can say in JSX, if you want to move from JSX to JavaScript, you need to use the curly braces. So here you can see whenever we are using any HTML tag, that means we are in JSX world. But we want to move from JSX world into JavaScript world. And here we can use these curly braces to define that, hey JSX, I want to move into JavaScript world and here is my variable. So yes, it is very easy. And now if I save this file, go and refresh this page, yep, we have this hello JSX. That's an amazing thing. But next, I also want to do another thing. Suppose I want to move this h1 with his span and my title into some variable. So I can say let my h1 is equal to, and because this is a JSX, I can use this parenthesis and define my JSX. So what should I need to do to have the value of this JSX, that means my h1, between div? Remember what we do? We use these curly braces to move into JavaScript world, and then I can say here is my h1. Let's now try and see what's going to happen. If I refresh this page, you can see still it is working absolutely fine. That's amazing. So in that way, you have seen that we can create any variable and put any kind of you can say JSX into that variable, and then we can use that variable and push that variable inside any other JSX.